Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. I am Roshan Ali, and today I am going to introduce you to a new mobile application called Photomath. Photomath is an application that is used to solve mathematical equations using your mobile camera. You can download Photomath from Google Play Store. So just go to Play Store, type Photomath. This first one is the application that you need to download. As I have already downloaded, so I don't need to download it again. Once you download the application, then just go to the application. This is the last application you can see on my mobile screen. Just click, and now you can use this application to solve equations. For example, I have written an equation on the paper, 5 plus 2. Let's see. As you can see, it has solved it in no time. And there's another equation. Let's see how can it solve this equation. Yes, as you can see, the value of x is not known, so it found the value of x. As you can see, x is equal to 7 by 5. If you want to see the stepwise solution of this equation, just click on this arrow button. The first step is that they have solved 2 minus 3 and the result is minus 1. If you want to see the next step, just click this red down arrow key and you will see the next step. The next step is that it has solved 6 plus 1, and then click this. You will see the next step, 5x is equal to 7, and then click again this red down arrow key and x is equal to 7 divided by 5. Now let me show you how you can solve equations from your laptop screen. Go back to camera again. I have already searched for some mathematical equations on my laptop. Just focus your camera on one of these equations. For example, x plus 2 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1. The value of x has been found in no time. Now there is another equation in no time. The answer of this equation is 1. Let's focus on this equation. 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 1. So this is the solution of this equation. Now let's focus the camera on, for example, this is an equation. Let's solve this equation. The value of x is minus 5 and minus 1, and then let's solve this. Let's solve this x. 3x is equal to 4. So the value of x is 4 by 3. And then let's solve this equation. Yes, 9. And let me solve this equation. X is equal to 1. Yes. Let's solve this equation. Wow. A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Wow, great. Let's focus on this equation. So x is equal to 2. And that's this equation. You can use this calculator as a normal calculator. You can see on the top menu where you can see a camera as well as a calculator. If you click on this calculator, then you can use this as a normal calculator. So this is a very beautiful application. I would recommend this application to mathematics students to use it. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.